Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit message on Instagram. So first up, open your Instagram app. Now here, tap on the messenger icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, select any of the account that you want to chat. So Instagram has a feature that allows you to unsend a direct message after it has been sent. So you can use this feature to make corrections in your conversation by unsending and resending the message. So to do that, for example, going to type here. So all you need to do is tap and hold in that message, and then an option shows up here. So you just have to tap on this edit button. So once you tap on edit, you can now change your message and then tap on done. So as you can see, it says edited. So this method is particularly useful if the recipient has not seen your message. So you'll be able to edit your sent messages on Instagram without even letting the other person know. Now, if you don't have this option on your Instagram, well, the first solution here that we can do is go to your App Store. So open your App Store, and then here basically tap on the search icon at the top right or bottom right, or you can tap on the search box at the top and type right here Instagram, and then go to that app. So if you find an update button shows up here, you just need to tap on update to get the latest version of your Instagram. Once done, tap on open. And here you should fix the issue on your edit message. Now, if the problem persists, the second solution that we can do is go to your iPhone settings. And here, scroll down and then tap on General. Under the General settings, you should find the iPhone storage right from here. And then you have to find the Instagram app. Once you tap on the Instagram, here you just have to tap on Offload app. So this will fix the problem on your edit message on your Instagram. So after that, you can now reinstall this application. And that's it. That's how you basically edit your message on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.